Have you ever wondered why some people seem trapped in the same financial situation year after year? They work hard, earn a paycheck, and hope things will eventually improve. Yet despite their efforts, they never seem to get ahead. The surprising truth is that staying poor isn't always about earning too little. More often, it's about repeating small financial habits that slowly drain your wealth. The first habit is spending before saving. Many people wait until the end of the month to save whatever is left. Unfortunately, there's usually nothing left. Wealthy people reverse this process. They save or invest first, then spend what remains. Paying yourself first is one of the simplest habits that can transform your finances. The second habit is living beyond your means. Buying things to impress others may feel rewarding for a moment, but it often leads to debt and financial stress. Real wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about having money working for you behind the scenes. The third habit is relying on debt for everyday expenses. Credit cards can be useful when used responsibly, but depending on borrowed money to fund your lifestyle can become a dangerous cycle. Interest payments quietly consume money that could have been saved or invested. The fourth habit is never investing. Many people believe investing is only for the wealthy, so they keep all their money in a savings account. While saving is important, investing gives your money the opportunity to grow over time. Even small, regular investments can become significant through compound growth. The fifth habit is ignoring financial education. Schools teach many important subjects, but personal finance often isn't one of them. Reading books, listening to podcasts, watching educational videos, and learning about money can improve your financial decisions for years to come. The sixth habit is trying to get rich quickly. Many people chase the latest trend, risky investment, or promise of easy money. Building lasting wealth rarely happens overnight. It usually comes from patience, discipline, and consistent decisions repeated over many years. The seventh and final habit is believing that earning more money will solve every financial problem. While increasing your income certainly helps, it won't create wealth if your spending rises just as quickly. Without good financial habits, even a large salary can disappear every month. The good news is that habits can change. You don't have to transform your finances overnight. Start by improving one habit at a time. Save before you spend. Avoid unnecessary debt. Continue learning about money. Invest consistently, even if you start small. Over time, these small changes can produce remarkable results. Remember, your financial future isn't determined by a single paycheck or one lucky break. It's shaped by the habits you practice every day. Change your habits, and you can change your future. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Sense for more simple lessons on saving, investing, and building long-term wealth. And remember, wealth isn't built by perfect decisions. It's built by consistently making better ones.